Hello class. The career profile that I chose for this assignment is early childhood education. So working at an elementary school. Okay, so the working environment would be in a school, inside a classroom. I chose to study the Fort Bend Independent School District. They are a district of 81 campuses in Sugar Land, Texas. We have 11 high schools and 15 middle schools and 51 elementary campuses. The typical work hours for elementary school teachers are 7:50 in the morning to 3:50 p.m. Monday through Friday. The workplace is flexible such that if you need to be absent, you can submit an absence and a substitute can work for you. You have working with children in early childhood setting. You can have the summers off, you can have holidays off there and the weekends off. There are staff meetings that you would have to stay for after school a couple of times a week, depending on your campus. There's a lot of grading papers, and that can be done during, probably mostly outside of the classroom, and sometimes you can take the papers home and grade them at home. You must be able to work well with administrative staff as well as co-teachers and talk to parents regularly. Some of the stressors of this job, I think, are grading deadlines, making lesson plans, preparing students for standardized testing, and managing misbehavior in the classroom. Teaching many young children at the same time with different learning styles and different temperaments can be really tricky, and it's hard to balance all of that in and get all of your lesson in. Some of the benefits of being a teacher is that there are multiple insurance plans to choose from. They have a TRA, which is a teacher retirement pension that teachers can pay into, and it's something that is awarded to you at the end of your career. Common job tasks are lesson plans, grading papers and assignments, managing classroom behavior, making phone calls to parents, responding to emails, continuing your education through certificates, attending meetings, a lot of documentation and paperwork, especially if you have special needs kids in your classroom, and of course teaching the kids. The educational requirements for an elementary school teacher would be a bachelor's degree in early childhood education. If you have a bachelor's degree in another area and you want to teach, then you can enroll in an alternative certification program, which will prepare you for the teacher certification process in your state, and it's different for every state. Starting salary, it varies according to school district and the state that you're in. However, in my state, in the school district that I'm in, starting at Fort Bend Independent School District, for a beginner teacher, it's $57,000 for 2021. Based on experience and the number of years teaching, an experienced teacher can earn up to $68,000. With each year of teaching experience, there is an increase of $500 to $1,000 added to your yearly salary. So the more years you're in, you get more each time. Some miscellaneous career information is for ESL and bilingual certifications, and ESL is English as a second language. There is an additional stipend. Teachers must continually take continuing education classes to keep up with certification and changes in the educational system. And got all of my information from the school website, which is www.fortbennisd.com. And that is it for this assignment. Thank you.